Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Soulless and it's going to be Ace Lifestyle. If it's your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So without further ado, let's just dive into this video. Lots, as you can see, so I'm trying to transform this. Also, to bleach this week, this is what I'm going to be using. I'll be using this got2b spray, a purple shampoo, a 40% volume developer, and also I'm using this L'Oreal bleach. So first thing first, I'm gonna use this got2b spray to just leave the air all the way to the back. It's just a scoop of this. Also, I'll be using this for the measurements of the developer as well. And pretty much just looks like it's good. And now I'm just gonna add in the bleach into the leaves. That's the way I want it. Set a timer on my phone for 15 minutes. There we go. And 15 minutes, and I'll be back. I'm just gonna add in my purple shampoo. So pretty much, I just try to rub it in. Rub everything in. And of course, I'm just gonna leave it to kind of like marinate inside to make sure it gets out the nuts, the bleach out properly. This time around, I'm gonna be setting a timer for like 10 minutes. And now that my timer is ready, all I have to do now is just wash out the shampoo out of the mess. See if we got the right thing. Now I'm just gonna wash out the wig by itself. I just wanna put in some conditioner to wash it out. Wash out all the seal and everything like that. So and of course, to give it that silky look, I'm gonna be going with my silicone mix. I'll be adding a generous amount to it and let it sit. And obviously after that, I'm just gonna wash it out and we'll see. So since I already put a generous amount, I'm gonna comb it out a little bit as well and let it sit for just a couple of minutes. As you can see right now, like it's giving a silky look already, shiny. So now that it's washed up the way I want, I'm pretty much just gonna rinse out the silicone mix and we'll see. So what I want to do at this point is just let the wig air dry. So I'm just putting my manicure head and give it a quick comb out. Make sure everything is properly. And that's it. We'll continue on to the next step.